Good morning from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Thursday, November 14th, 2013. Strong winds impacted northern Michigan during the afternoon and evening hours of Wednesday, and we continue to see some residual gusty winds out on the Great Lakes this morning. Gale warnings are still up over parts of Lake Michigan and Lake Huron. Those will run through midday. Otherwise, things will quiet down from a weather perspective until we get into the latter part of the weekend, when a developing storm system over the Midwest will be moving towards the Great Lakes region later Sunday and into Monday. And depending on how the system evolves, we could see a wide variety of weather across northern Michigan as the storm approaches and passes, including some thunderstorm possibility Sunday afternoon and evening across northern lower Michigan. And then as the system moves by on Monday and colder air comes back in, we'll see the threat for some lake effect snow for the early part of next week and the possibility of some gusty winds on Monday as well. Here's the current weather map. High pressure remains over the southeastern U.S. To the north of that, we've been having warmer air moving back into the Great Lakes region on fairly gusty southwest winds. We'll continue to see some strong wind gusts today across northern lower Michigan, possibly up around 30 miles an hour or so in some spots. But otherwise, that's the main weather issue for today. We do have a disturbance over the Dakotas that'll be moving in later on today and this evening. It may bring some more clouds and a little bit of light rain to parts of eastern upper and far northern lower Michigan by this afternoon and into this evening. Here's a look at the 3-day precipitation forecasts. These run through Sunday morning and depict for day one, which is today through tonight, the little bit of light rain we expect across the region today, mainly across upper Michigan and far northern lower Michigan. Central and southern lower Michigan should stay dry. Friday looks dry at this point, and then on Saturday, mainly into Saturday night and Sunday, is when we'll see our next chance of precipitation increase ahead of our storm system, which will be approaching the Great Lakes on Sunday. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. Friday morning.